Pagkawan yung manalamin muna.
Welcome back to another travel vlog in my channel. It's been so long. I don't know. When's my last vlog? Hindi ko alam kung marunong pa ako mag-vlog. It's too dark. We are here in Lobo. This is May 2. We are doing an overnight here in Lobo. Nakita namin to actually sa Airbnb. And then we tried looking for it sa Facebook kasi baka mas mura. You know, second base na kasi ang Airbnb. So one travel trick is to look for it in Facebook kasi for sure mas mura. So this is the cottage. I'm gonna show it to you. We rented it for 2 nights. For 1 night, it's 9,000 for 15 packs. So around nag-range kami 600 per person, I think. And this is a 2-bedroom. So I'm gonna tour it to you, and here's the room tour or the cottage tour. Yan, kakapasok ko lang sa door. And then this is the living room. It's quiet, very spacious. Wait lang. Yan. So, meron silang dining area, which is that dining table. And that's their couch. And yung floor nila is bamboo, which is, wait lang, I'm gonna show it to you. Yan, oh, bamboo slits. Nakita mo yung ilalim. So, very, very fresco. This is a 2-bedroom. Ito yung 2 bedrooms. It's fully air-conditioned dun sa loob ng room. Ayan, naka-on na yung room. This is the first bedroom. This is a twin-size bed, I think. And merong mga cabinet over here. Ayan, may beddings din. May baligtad. Oh, that's nice. We need that. And then this is the second bedroom. This is a 2-bedroom, 2 beds. Also a twin-size, I think. And then meron ding cabinet. And meron ding dresser. This is also air-conditioned. So, if you have parents or people na hindi natutunaw sa init, this is perfect for them. And then this is their bathroom, which is here. Ayan, merong, ano pa yun? Bathtub. And then, mayroong toilet and merong bidet. Merong tissue provided. And my mirror. So, it's very spacious then. Wala kang problema if you're looking for a spacious bathroom. Spacious enough bathroom. Now, I'm gonna tour you sa kitchen nila. This is a half-equipped. I cannot say it's fully equipped, pero it's half-equipped kitchen. So, meron silang gas range, meron silang refrigerator, and then meron din silang rice cookers, percolator, and pots and pans. Wala akong nakitang plates and spoons. So, yeah, wala naman kaming problema doon kasi meron kaming dala. And then I'm gonna show you the outside. This is the bathroom. Here's the gang.
Dito po yung lutong talong.
Patikim ng ano? Patikim ng...
Uy, ang tikim isa lang.
Patikim.
Thank you.
Paano na ako ni Papa isang pa?
turuan yung manalangin muna.
Oo, patikim nga ng lasa. Anong lasa ng sayo? Iba yata yung sa akin eh. Wow! Ano itong pa na ito?
So we are checking out. We are preparing to leave, and I just want to show you guys one of the cheapest place to stay here in Lobo. It is 9,000 for 15 packs for one night, and the owner said that it's one of the cheapest here in Lobo. The surroundings, cottages around him or around the Evangelista Beach Hut rental is more expensive than him, and the cottage is fully furnished. The rooms are air conditioned, and the kitchen are meron siyang stove and fully furnished yung kitchen, so you don't have any problems if you want to cook your own food. And yeah, hindi na kami nag-swimming because kahapon napagod kami sa pagsa-swimming. Hindi na kami naka-video doon. Actually, yung last thing you saw is when first kong sulong sa beach, and then after noon is hindi na kami nakapag-beach kasi hindi namin dala yung camera nung naggala kami sa beach. It's stony yung beach, not sandy, so keep that in mind. Of course, wear a mask and normal new protocols here in Lobo. Ay, my dog! Sino yung bang dog? Hi! Ito ba yung malambing? Anak ko na si Nonos pa. Si Nonos na bero, no?
Pero mabait siya.
Right.